All right, what's up guys? I'm gonna try to document this sign build for A2 phone repair. This is an interior sign going in their new location in Ann Arbor. So this is what I've got here right now. I've got the backer cut out. My friend Ryan, who helps me build out the trim caps and returns for it, finished his part. So these are gonna be the acrylic letters that'll kind of look like a push-through sign. So right now, as you see, what I've got is the dimensions laid out for the lights. I'm gonna build out all the internals and lighting for everything. Like I said, that over there is the cap or the face for it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work putting these lights in. Over here, we've got the channel letters for the outside of the sign, for the outside of the building, actually. These are the backers and the faces. I'm gonna do some printing, laminate everything, get that ready for Ryan. Interior sign, building sign. You'll see what's next. All right, little update. Added the LED lights inside the sign. Silicone, double-sided tape. I added braces in the rear so that we'll have a little bit of offset. So the sign will be about 1 inch offset off the wall. We're gonna have some ambient glow behind it, kind of like backlit. All right, here's the HB Latex printing the faces for the indoor and exterior sign. These will be printed and then laminated and then applied to the faces. This is the interior sign with the lighting set up, and then the acrylic faces will be mated to this front panel. So, yep, it's getting there. So I ended up using 3/16 acrylic here. All right, so while I'm waiting for that to print and laminate, I am taking off the protective backing paper off the acrylic panels. You want to let them degas a bit before you laminate them. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Usually this backing paper comes off in like 1,000,000 different little pieces. You do it this way, it comes off in one nice roll. This one's a little odd shape, but wherever you got a leading edge, just stick it to the roll. And just like that, slide the garbage off. Perfect. All right, guys, little trick I picked up from Jonathan Medford on YouTube, Small Town Inc. If you have protective paper on your acrylic, ACM board, or any type of substrate, take a little piece of rod or tube and then simply roll your backing paper onto it, and it comes off just that easily. Cool trick. All right, so as you can see, I applied the vinyl to the acrylic and did like a sample of how the lighting's gonna look. So on camera, you really see a lot of the banding. Obviously, I don't want that. In person, it's not as bad, but it's still apparent. So I'm gonna fix that. I currently have like 9 LED strips in there. I'm gonna add some more lights and see if I can offset some of that banding. So over here, I've also got the building letters applied. So these are applied to acrylic, and I'm gonna have Ryan build the trim caps and return for them. So that's on deck too. All right, so yeah, that's the update. All right, so this is the ambient backlight for the back of the sign. Kind of just staggering these a bit. And then I'll be applying a silicone adhesive so that these stay long term. You don't want to trust the double-sided tape for permanent installs. Just temporary so that you can set them in place and then go back with some silicone. As you can see, I kind of traced out a perimeter 4 inches from the edge. That way it should give it enough enough offset so you don't see the hot spots. There we go, that's better. All right, so that's with the lights on, plenty of output. I'll do a shot with the face on it now. All right, I'm on location where the sign is gonna be installed here in Ann Arbor, A2 phone repair. Got the faceplate there. Got our fixture there, and it'll be going right here, center between the door and the wall. All right, gotta mount it up. All right, got the sign mounted, double secured, 2 stringers across the back with French cleat mounting hardware. Got a little bit of back glow showing. Gonna put the face on, wrap it up. All right guys, all wrapped up. Sign face is on, it's looking great. It's got the ambient glow, everything's mounted. I got the face all secured. I'll take some shots. I think the customer will be happy. It's really hard to capture the glow on iPhone. The LEDs are really screwing with the camera sensor. But as you can see, lights have this, or all the letters have this outer glow. They're all kind of pushed through 3D.